Hi you guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my updated concealer routine with you guys. Nothing fancy, something that's really been working out for me recently. I'm going in with a foundation that is a shade or two darker than my skin tone under my eyes and to correct my areas of hyperpigmentation. I find that this method creates more of a natural look than your conventional color correctors. Once that's blended out, I'm going in with my usual concealer shade. The only thing to note here is where I'm placing my concealer under eyes. I'm actually placing this lighter concealer a lot further down, not a lot, a little further down than where I usually would put or have done in the past. And this actually creates more of a natural highlighted look around my eye area than placing it right under the eye, because that looks a lot more harsher than this way. Once that's all blended out, I'm going in with a light dust of powder. I don't bake. I find that that creates a very heavy look under my eyes. So a little dust of powder does the trick, and bam! The look is complete. It creates a really natural look. Please give it a go and let me know how you find it. Please subscribe, like and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!